So, I have something really cool to share with you guys today. Heck yes! Thanks, PayMaya! If you're a business owner, keep watching because what's inside this box is something that can hella level up your business. And by leveling up, I mean you can start accepting cashless payments with just a swipe, swipe, swipe or a tap, tap, tap. Yo, what's up friends? Welcome back to this week's video. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Nicole and I make weekly videos on personal finance, investing, self-development, and other fun and interesting stuff. Okay, so ayun nga, I just want to say thank you again to PayMaya for sponsoring this video. Wow. Even if they are sponsoring this video and they gave me some cute merch, I do mean it when I say that what we're going to talk about today is actually really cool. Let's do a quick unboxing. Alright, so this here is their new PayMaya One Lite device. Usually when you go into the stores, or even for some of you guys who have businesses, you needed to have those clunky ATM machines, right, in order to accept credit and debit card payments. What if I told you that this small phone thingy, which fits into your pocket by the way, can also do all of those things? With this One Lite device, you can start accepting cashless payments in-store or on the go. Go, go, go. I'll show you guys how to use this thing step by step in just a bit, but if you take a look here, like do you see that slot? And even like this thing at the back, you can already start accepting credit or debit card payments by just doing this. Card. You just beep, beep, beep. Or at the back, you can just do a tap, tap, tap. If you aren't mind blown yet by just the cards, this thing can also accept e-wallet payments. I talked a lot about all of my e-wallets like PayMaya and GrabPay in my other video. So one of the features of e-wallets kasi is that you can already pay people by just scanning their QR code. So if you're going to let your customers pay, just like tut tut tut, generate a QR code, let them scan, and then you will receive the payment. Whoa, cashless. You'll also be able to monitor all your sales transactions via the PayMaya Payment Manager. So it's just one whole convenient dashboard where it shows us detailed summary breakdown of all of your sales. Alright, very cool, very cool. Now, it's time for me to show you how to use this magical business device. So first, let's turn it on. You have to hold it for about 5 seconds. Ayon. Awakened. Alright, so before you even start using this, you need to connect to the internet. So you have two options. You can either connect to your Wi-Fi or you can turn on the mobile data. So to turn on Wi-Fi, you just have to swipe this down. This button, you have to click that in order to connect to the internet. If ever you're gonna use the data, you can put a SIM here. If you see this like slot here, put a SIM and then you can turn on mobile data. You also just swipe down and then look for the 4G option. So now that you're connected to the internet, you just have to open this app. It's called the One app. Click that. Yeah. First, let's talk about how to process card payments. So what you do, you just have to key in how much the customer has to pay. Once you key it in, you just click proceed. Yeah. Now it's gonna ask you to insert the card or tap the card of the customer. So if it's just a regular EMV card, you can insert it in the slot here. But if it happens to have the PayWave icon, I don't know if you guys can see that, I can just tap it here at the back. After you do that, you have to make sure that your card details matches the one on screen. If they're paying with a debit card, you have to ask the customer to key in the PIN code. If ever it's a credit card, you have to ask them to sign on screen if ever the amount exceeds 2,000 pesos. If you want to issue a digital receipt, make sure that the send receipt to mobile or email is selected. Then you're gonna have to ask the customer to enter either their mobile number or email address wherever they want to receive their digital receipt. Now let's talk about how to process PayMaya QR transactions, so with the QR code stuff. Same thing with the card payments, you have to key in the amount that the customer has to pay. Then tap Use PayMaya QR. This one will generate a QR code, which you're gonna have to ask the customer to scan in order to pay. After they scan the code and then the payment's all good, they will receive a digital receipt through their mobile number. What's cool with this device is that it's not only limited to PayMaya QR codes, it can actually process other e-wallet payment transactions.
Ma'am, pa-void po.
Let's say you want to void a transaction. All you have to do is go to the menu on the upper left corner, select void, type the password, click OK, Then key in the transaction number found in the receipt, then also click OK. All good. Ma'am, pa-void okay na po. Next, let's talk about settling a transaction. First, you have to go to the menu, tap Settlement, then you input the settlement password, review the transactions, and then click Settle. Once you're done with that, just click OK. Make sure to settle your transactions daily, probably like at the last shift of the cashier. If you want to see a summary of your settled transactions, you can do so via the PayMaya Payment Manager. So very good, that's all you need to know. In order to turn off this device, you just have to hold it for 5 seconds again. Ayon, it will say power off. Taran! Okay na yan. It will just turn off. Right, so if you're interested in getting one of these things for your business, sign up and get the PayMaya One Lite device at enterprise.paymaya.com. If ever you're gonna get one of these things, let me know in the comment section. This is really cool. For all of you guys out there who are business owners, small business owners, this is a must-have. Cashless transactions for the win, yo! You guys can follow me on Instagram. I post stories there almost every day. Like the Facebook page, join the Discord server. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So I have something really cool to share with you guys today.